Hey guys, how's it going? How to automate workflows with Perplexity AI APIs. So, automating workflows with Perplexity AI involves integrating the API into your systems. Systems handle tasks programmatically, right? For example, log in with your account, right? Make sure that you sign up with your Google or Apple account. Click your avatar icon at the top, right? And then before you do anything, make sure that you understand the API capabilities. Review the documentation to learn about endpoints, query parameters, and response format. You can go ahead to the API and learn more by clicking learn more from here, and you're gonna be able to basically see the terms of service, right, for API, and you can understand more about how you can leverage it to your Perplexity, right? In order for this to work out, you need to set up your own payment method, right? Connect a credit card to start using the API. And I don't have a credit card, but if you do, just go ahead and input the payment details in the country and everything. And then you can basically integrate API to platforms like Slack, Notion, or email systems for real-time responses. And basically, you can refine outputs and iterate for efficiency. And you're going to be able to test and optimize the API for better relevance and response accuracy. So basically, this workflow streamline querying and knowledge extraction, saving time and effort in research for decision making. In order for this to work out, set up your payment, and you're going to be able to connect to platforms like Slack, Notion, or basically you can integrate with your workflow by using Python, Node.js, or Zapier to send queries and process results. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.